Hello, welcome to my channel. Today I'm here to check this JCB JS220 excavator. Now the machine is breakdown in here. Engine suddenly dropped. Engine suddenly shut down while the machine was working here. Now he's digging for the it's kind of the how this called, it's kind of the lake. They will put the fish in here, I think, like that. Yeah, so now I'm here to check for this machine. So the operator said this machine working here about 3 hours. Just then engine shut down automatically. After that he trying to start the engine but still cannot start. So now I'm waiting the key. The operator is going to take the key. He said it's quite far. It's not far, about 5 minutes from here. So now I'm waiting the key to get into the operator compartment. Okay, all right. So now I'm here. Okay, right now I got the key. So I will try to start the engine. Key on. So there is no error. No error at all. So this will be the mechanical problem, not the electrical issue. Okay. So I will try. Look at this. Cannot start. Okay. So now I have the subject master 4 here. So I will check by the subject master 4. Click. Okay. Excavator, EMS, GSJZ, JCB, wait for a while. Sunshine. Okay. And turn on. So I need to key on. Accept. Loading. Okay. So let me check engine diagnostic. See, no edit, no previous edit, no error code. So surely this is the mechanical problem, not electrical issue. So go back to the engine stator. So I need to look at the fuel pressure when cranking. Okay, all right. See, fuel pressure only reached the 100 bar. Normally this needs at least about more than the 250 bar. When the engine is start, pure rate pressure is reaching to the about more than 300 bar, sometimes between 300 to 400. Okay, so I will try again. I will try another start. Crank only reach the maximum 150, so it's not enough. Okay, so why this pure rate pressure is too low? There are three reasons. The one is the pure CR pump, pure high pressure pump. The second is the pure injector internal leakage. So now this machine, I already replaced the high pressure pump. So that's why I don't need to think about for high pressure pump, because high pressure pump is already new. But this machine was used the old injector. So I suppose the injector internal leakage problem. So I need to check all of the pure injector. Actually, I want to replace the new injector for this problem, but the customer also agree for this. Yeah, so anyway, after I discuss the fuel with the customer, I will replace all of the new injector. Okay, all right, so I will prepare for to replace the new injector right now. Turn off. No need to turn off. Okay, key off. Okay, right now I will show you the engine condition. Here, this is the JCB post-cylinder engine. This one, new high pressure pump. New high pressure pump. Pump already replaced on you 2 days ago, but the injector is old. So I suppose the injector internal leakage problem. So need to replace the new injector. Okay, right now I will crank the engine. This one already damaged, have the error. It's okay, no problem. But the good pump is reaching to the more than 10 of the PSI. Oh! See? So the pump is good. So X the system, pure pressure from the pump sent to the common rail, pure rail assembly. After that, continue to the fuel injector. So in here, pure pump high pressure is sent to the pure common rail, pure rail assembly, but the pressure is dropping here because of there are two reasons. If the pure reliever is internally open, pure rail pressure will be dropped. Another thing is, after the pure rail is good, pure reliever is okay, no problem. But when the injector internal leakage problem, pure pressure will be dropped because of the internal leakage by the injector. Okay, so for this pure rail, I already checked this pure reliever, so no problem, nothing problem, no internal leakage. This is a good condition. So right now I suspect the injector. Okay, so I will replace this injector. Normally what I do it, I take it out all of the injector, and then I do the pure injector test at my shop. But right now I'm here in the forest. I don't have any I'm out of the city, so right now, so I'm suspected this injector, so I have to replace all of the injector. Then I will show you what is the next. Okay, so right now I will take all of this hose and all of this pipe and connector, pure rattan pipe, and 30mm bolt. Then I will take out the injector and to put it on the new injector. Okay, right now just take it out the back cover, and this is the number 1 injector. Look at this nozzle tip, it's wet. Normally this should be dry, so this is the sign of the injector problem. This is the number 1 injector. Okay, so that's why the fuel pressure is dropped. Okay, for another one, number 2 injector, look at this, it's dry here. So this is the normal injector, should be like that. Number 2, still good condition. Number 3, same, it's problem. See, wet. This is number 3. It's a kind of bad injector. Number 4, same, wet. Okay, so anyway, whatever, I will replace all of the new injector for this problem. Yeah, I have the new injector. So this is the new injector, the 4 injector here. The lower one in here, 94 BD. The lower 2, the lower first and second. This is the E-train code. After I put all of this injector, I need to change this E-train code by the service master for. So we have to take a record of this number for putting the new E-train. So this is just for knowledge. Okay, right now new injector already put it on. All of the connection is connected. Okay, so I will start the engine again. Okay, all right. First of all, I will do the air bleeding. So turn on the key about 3 or 4 times. Turn on my laptop again. On the JCB, when we key on pure lip band, almost working about 15 seconds. After that, ECM cut out the fuel lip band. So need to key off again and key on, because I need to do about 3 or 4 times for the air purging. So I can hear the sound. It's kind of pure lip is working. Okay, now we turn on the circuit master 4 again. On the other hand, key off, but let's key on for the air purging to make sure for the air in the fuel system. Okay, now circuit master is coming on. EMS, DHZ, GCB diagnostic. Key on again. Power on. Set. Let me change the diagnostic, so there's no error. There's no error code. Okay, I'm back to engine stator 0. Okay, key off again and key on. This time I will start the engine. This time I will start the engine. See, look at it here. Okay, look at the fuel pressure. So we crank the engine right now. See, fuel pressure is rising up. See, now engine can start. See it. Now fuel pressure. 431 bar. Okay, 431 bar. Engine can start. Okay. Level K, ACK. So right now I can start the engine already with a new injector. Okay, so this time I need to start the engine because I want to put the E-trim coat. Okay, so turn off and key on again. So now I reach the diesel mat 4-cylinder engine setup excavator page. Here into the calibration and click. So first of all, re-injector code. Yeah, this is the old injector. Trim code for old injector. So I need to change the new E-trim code in here. How many number? 16 number. So we can click in here, click and can put the new in here, 16 number. So this is the one I show you when I put on the new injector. So you can get the code number and put it on here. We have to write it, we have to type in here. So okay, so I will do it for this one. Okay, right now I already write the new e-trim code in here, and then now you can see writing of the injector code has been completed. So that means it's finished. Okay, yeah, this is a new e-trim code. So trim calibration is finished. After that, turn on this one. And JCB engine diagnostic. Subject master plate doesn't work, so key off, key on again, then engine diagnostic again. It doesn't work because of the internet problem. Okay, try again. Okay, power on, accept. Okay, now it's 0 bar. Okay, so now I will start the engine again. With this, fuel pressure 431 bar. Okay, so it's look the normal, but I need to go back to the diagnostic. So there is no diagnostic, no diagnostic code. Okay, so I will test this machine. Okay, for the using the subject master 4, and now the engine is running. So I will turn off this subject master 4. Turn off. Close. Close. Set on the computer. Okay. So we tested this machine. Okay, right now I'm testing the machine. So the normal performance is working well. So here, this is around me. I'm in the forest right now. Weather is very hot in here. No wind. Okay, so now the machine is okay. For this problem has done replacing by 4 injector. Okay, so right now weather is very hot in here. I'm sweating, as you can see, a lot of sweat. It's very hot. So this is the one I share my knowledge and experience how to fix the JCB. If you don't have any diagnostic tool, you can check it by the nearest tool. It's kind of the manual test. So you can test it the fuel common pressure by using the gauge. Okay, so bye for now. Thanks for watching my YouTube channel. All right.